It's a digital world. Every second, the impact of the digital world is ever increasing by the day. And I'm sure, as was just mentioned down, that the launching of this web portal would have a very, very positive impact on the doctors who would be registering. It would make them easier. Also, the details, the update will also be available on the website. The Director of Health Science Services, we have been using the website in a very meticulous and a very informative way, and along with it, the Director of Family Welfare also will be launching soon. And Manipur Medical Nursing Council, even the Nursing Council, the website, just a few days back, even I had a meeting regarding the Nursing Council.